So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix WhatsApp backup taking too long, speed up and stuck backup solution. So fix one is turn off videos, open WhatsApp, go to settings, then tap on chats, then select chat backup, scroll to the bottom and toggle off include videos. Tap backup now to check if the backup process moves quickly. Second fix is clean up large files. Open WhatsApp and navigate to the main setting menu. Tap on storage and data. Select manage storage. Go to the review and delete items section. Then tap on large than 5 MB. Choose and delete any large unnecessary files or duplicate videos. Third fix is clear the app cache. Close the WhatsApp completely, open the main setting app on your phone. Tap on apps and select see all apps. Scroll down and find WhatsApp, then tap on it. Tap on storage and cache. Select clear cache. Avoiding tapping clear data to prevent logging out. Fourth fix is refresh cloud storage and permission. For Android or for iOS, open your phone setting, tap your Apple ID name at the top. Select iCloud and then manage account storage to check for free space. Return to iCloud setting and scroll down. Ensure the toggle of WhatsApp is turned on. For Android, open the Google Drive app, tap the three lines menu in the top left of the check storage capacity. Open WhatsApp to go to setting, navigate to chats and select chat backup. Tap Google account to disconnect and reconnect your email. Fifth fix is hard reset and retry. Turn off your Wi-Fi router and wait for 10 seconds. Turn the Wi-Fi router back on, completely restart your phone. Once the phone is on, connect to your Wi-Fi. Open WhatsApp and navigate to chat backup. Tap on chat up backup now. Thanks for watching.